Hello everybody, this is Cap here with the 19th video in my Beginner C++ tutorial series. So in this video we are going to continue on the topic of inheritance, but instead of trying to, put multiple inheritance and friend classes and all that into one video, I'm probably just going to split it up into, 2 or 3 videos. So in this video, more specifically, we're going to be talking about just simple inheritance, how to inherit from one class into the other. And that's just kind of the simple stuff in this video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our Solution Explorer. I'll bring it over here for you guys, and right click our project, go down to Add Class, Add, and we're going to say car, and finish, and put that back over there. Okay, so now we have a car header file and we have a car.cpp file. So in our vehicle class that we've been working on for the last few tutorials, we have, or I have, made 2 modifications. I've given it its default constructor back, and I have added a public integer. So what we want to do here is include vehicle.h, and might want to remember the pound sign. And then to let it know that you want to inherit a class, after your class name, you want to put a colon followed by your restriction, what restriction you want it to have. In this case we want public, and then the name of the class that you want to inherit from, which, is vehicle. Okay, there you go. That's all that's to it, guys. So as you can see, I haven't made any modifications to this file or this file. Save it. And we're going to come over to our main here and include our car header file, and we're going to make a car object called Mustang, and then we are going to make a vehicle object, we'll call it truck. Okay, so here we're just going to try to assign that public variable that I added from the Mustang object. And as you can see, we didn't get any issues. The compiler didn't flag it or throw a fit or anything, so we're good there. And then down here we'll say int y equals truck dot public var. And as you can see, no issues here either. That's because we inherited it publicly. So it is public in both objects. But if I come over here and say that I want to inherit it privately, save it and come back, now we have an issue because of course we can't access a private variable directly. But we can still access from this object, because like I said, these are 2 different things. It does not affect your base class, it only affects your derived class. So keep that in mind. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come back over here and change this back to public. Oh, public. I don't even think that's a word. Public. Save it. And once again, you know, I haven't made any modifications, haven't added any methods or anything to there. And I'm going to erase all this. And since we inherited our vehicle class, what we can do is say Mustang dot set make Ford, Mustang dot set model Mustang dot set miles. There we go. Say 60,000. And Mustang dot set year. We'll say 2003. And then down here we will say print info. So we did all of this using inherited methods from vehicle. So instead of having to do all this and all this in our car class, we just inherited it from vehicle. So we don't have to rewrite that code again. We can just use it like we would if this was a vehicle object. So let's run this. And as you can see, it worked. Also, if we tack on another 0 here, save it, run it, as you can see, that car has too many miles. So our 500,000 mile requirement is still being checked, and we don't have to worry about it in all of our other, you know, classes. Like, you know, if we made a truck class, a boat class, a plane class, I don't know why we'd have planes, but it can make your life a lot easier. So that's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this tutorial. If you like this video, let me know by hitting the like button. And if you've watched a few of my videos and you really like them, go ahead and hit subscribe so that you can see when I post new ones. And I would like to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.